Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. Before we get into the video today, which we're going to talk about the formation that Bitcoin continues to stay in and what we're expecting, just wanted to show you guys, our swing indicator continues to work really well. And we've got a long here. Notice that came up all the way up to our resistance level of 7,500. And then as weakness set in, we got a short signal, and that dropped all the way from this 7,300 level currently down to 67.75. And now we're oversold. But just wanted to remind you guys that this thing works really well. So if you're interested in that, we have our packages at 50% off at TradeGeniusAcademy.com, and no coupon code needed. So just pick one of the packages that has an indicator in it, and you'll be all set in TradingView. That aside, let's take a look at the daily time frame. And currently what we have is a descending wedge, and it's just containing price really well. So other than doing if you're into the short-term swing stuff, and you're using sites like BitMEX or OKX to do margin short trading on Bitcoin, your next signal, if you're just looking to get long again for a swing long, is going to be down in this area. Now, the only reason that would be negated is if we do kind of stay in the support level here of 6,800, give or take a few dollars in that area. But that has to really hold. Like, we need to have a close no lower than where we're at right now. And we have about 4 more hours in this daily bar. That would also be what I like to see are mid-channel reversals. So if we do hold here and move up, that increases the probability of this longer-term trend line to break. But until we see that, really what we're looking at is probably eyeballing this lower low of 64.55 and breaking that possibly down to 62. We'll call that about 62.30 area. And then I'd expect a pretty decent bounce from there. Again, we haven't really seen big volume. We like to see capitulation volume on these bottoms and some nice wicks like you have over here, and that it's the kind of stuff we like to see. Haven't really seen that. The other alternative is this just grinds out at these lower levels and then starts to move back up. They call that like a scallop formation when you have this like nice arcing move like that. So that's currently where we're at. So just kind of wanted to give you guys a midweek update on Bitcoin. And so currently, yeah, if we hold here, we could potentially bust higher and break out. Otherwise, if this level that we're at here, this area that we're at here breaks down, and we currently are oversold on the hourly, so we should see some upward momentum. And Asia, we're going into the Asia session here in a few hours, which is another point I wanted to make, is that Asia seems to be back. The last couple of Asian sessions have been pretty bullish. And if you are not sure when these sessions start, you can go to 24-hour market clock, or actually it's called market24clock.com, and this lights up the sessions that are active. So as you can see, we have about 3.5 more hours until we get into the Japan or the Asian session, but those have been bullish, and we haven't seen that in a long time. So that was actually one of the missing pieces that I was looking for to see that Bitcoin would start to rally again. All right, so if we get that again, another third straight session of Asian buying, then hopefully that's a good indication that the sessions are back, because that really did help in this up move that we saw in the last several days to get back up to 7,500 or so. All right, so keep an eye on that for tonight. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. We'll update you tomorrow on the next video. But thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.
Trade Genius.